how to log into your Capital One 360 step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply install the application Capital One Mobile from your App Store or Play Store. Then after installing it, you can simply open the application. So after opening the application here, we can get into our login page, and then from there, all you need to do is simply add in your credentials, right? So all you need to do is simply add in your username and your password right here. If you want the application to remember you, you will have to enable this option, remember me, and then all you need to do is tap on sign in. So let's just say you don't want to every time add in all of the credentials manually. You can simply enable your Face ID too. If you simply tap on the toggle button, you can enable your Face ID. Simply tap on OK and then tap on got it, and now every time you want to log in, you can actually log in through your Face ID. So first of all, you would obviously need to add in your username and password. So next time you're trying to log in, you wouldn't need that. So in here, let's just say you have somehow forgotten your username or your password. Then what you can actually do is simply tap on the option forgot username or password right here, and then we'll get into this particular link from where we can actually try to recover our account. Simply write in your last name, your social security number, and the date of your birth, and then tap on find me and go along with the process of how you will be able to recover it. And just like this, you'll be able to log into your Capital One 360. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.